Hi there, my name's Colin Laird. We're here at Blythbridge Holsteins. We're a farm with my family. We're milking 500 cows on 10 Lely A5 robots. The farm sits between 750 and 1,000 feet above sea level. We farm just over 1,600 acres between two farms, and our main enterprise is our dairy herd. We previously milked in a rotary parlour, which we had installed for 20 years. The rotary parlour was installed for milking 200 cows twice a day, and up until the end there we were milking 550 cows 3 times a day. We were ready to move to our next step, and there was things that we wanted to improve on or make life easier going forward if we were going to make an investment in some sort of a way. So that's when we looked at dairy automation. Our business here, we're always striving to be more efficient, and that was one of our main reasons for moving to the Lely A5 robots. We had been to see the Lely A5 in action, and we just felt that it was just run that bit smoother, and the attention to detail that Lely had put into building this machine was some things that you would never even think about, especially having not had any experience with milking on robots before. So on our farm here we have 10 Lely Astronauts, we have 3 Lely Discoveries, 2 Junos for pushing the silage up, we have a Lely cam feeder, and also Lely Meteors that we have installed in the robots for the hoof care and keeping on top of the hoof health. Since installing our Lely A5 robots in the new dairy facility we have here, we've had a lot of great changes, the financial benefits, etc. But also we have seen a reduction in our running costs. We don't have so much heavy equipment for milking in anymore. It's more little and often the power usage. It also suits our system to have the little and often milk flow into the tank, as we have a heat recovery system. We've reduced our staff by over 50% now, and I would say that it's a lot easier to manage a smaller team of staff. The staff that we have are they're more skilled and they're more relaxed in the system that we now milk in. Previous to installing the Lely A5s, we were milking 3 times a day on a rotary milking parlour, and now we're averaging 3.2 milkings per day, free access on the Lely A5 system. When we're averaging 3.2 milkings per day, some of the fresh calf cows are getting milked up to 6 times a day, and the cows that we're trying to pull back before drying off time are only getting milked once a day. Things like that, it's pretty much impossible to do on a conventional milking system. When we installed our Lely A5 robots, we put 2 feed types into the robots, so we were able to feed our own home mix, which is a blend that we make up ourselves with predominantly our own homegrown cereals. We do find the more we increase the home mix, the cows are more attracted to the robot. It seems to be tastier, so we see more visits, which is also a good thing. So we've seen an increase in milk yield since we moved over to the Lely A5 robots. I'd say that is down to the free access. No cows standing in a holding area for any length of time during the day or at any point in the day. The cows are free to do what they want when they want. We've been very impressed with how the system works and how relaxed the cows are in that system. The Lely Astronaut has allowed us to manage cows individually. We spend more time looking at cows, watching cows, their behaviour, keeping them in tip-top condition, which previously I felt we were starting to lose. I feel that once you get over 400 cows, you start to lose that connection with the individual cows. They're just numbers. And I would say that installing the robots brought that back to us. I know the cows better now, also from a genetic side of things, and their pedigrees and how we're going to breed them and things like that we just never seem to have time to do. We've seen an increase in milk, we've seen a reduction in staff. Our cows, we can see, are happier. They're very content with the system. The thing that I probably like most about the robots is when you come out in the morning and you can hear the robots working away. The cows are happy, content. Our other automated features in the barn are the Lely Discoveries. The passages are all scraped, the Juno's been down, silage is all pushed up. It's a very welcoming feeling in the morning to come to this every morning.